Hello guys, this is Viral Hunter. I hope you are ready to jump into the internet together. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment. The girl was extremely unlucky. A seagull hit her in the face at the worst moment. Luckily, they're all fine, even that seagull. Is that Finding Nemo sequel? Always be careful when choosing a shortcut.
Look at the state of my feet, I've got to try and get over there.
Good thing this guy told that raccoon about the alligator. The raccoon was like, "Oh, you mean this thing?"
There's an alligator right there.
Like what?
Oh my god.
Alligator! Oh, run! Oh!
This guy wanted to get away from paying for medical attention. In America, such medical assistance is very expensive.
Oh, did he just...
Jesus, this dog looks like a gremlin.
Bear. What the f...
The way this monkey toy squishes after falling down is hilarious.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
This guy hadn't expected that GTA will surprise him in real life.
Get on the ground! Do it now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stop the car!
This transition looks very nice. This game looks brilliant and super fun.
Well, you have to slap every time.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good.
Miss you, man.
Tesla autopilot thought the full moon was yellow light. So in case of losing, you can ask the dog for help, or at least he would stop the game. That guy made a real Captain America shield that actually flies and bounces back. It's made of carbon fiber with a fiberglass ring to provide bounce while keeping maximum strength. It looks really amazing. How did that happen? This man has grown his bonsai forest. It only lasted 40 years. Here you can see how sharks hunt from a bird's eye view. I hope you had fun. Subscribe, leave a like and comment. See you next time.